Hey friends, I'm Prisha the Explorer. Let's embark on a magical journey together and explore new places, toys, and experiences together.
Hey there, Prisha and friends. Are you all excited for Holi?
Yes, Dr. Isha.
That's fantastic. Holi is such a fun festival, but it's essential to play it safely. Let me share some do's and don'ts with you all. First, let's talk about the do's. Do use natural colors made from flowers and herbs. They're safe for your skin and the environment. Next, do wear old clothes that you don't mind getting stained. Holi colors can be tricky to wash out. Now, let's discuss the don'ts. Don't throw colors or water balloons at strangers or animals. It's not safe or kind. Also, don't forget to protect your eyes. Wear sunglasses or goggles to keep color powder out of your eyes.
Thank you, Dr. Isha. We'll remember all these tips and play Holi safely.
You're welcome, Prisha. Now, let's add a few more safety tips. Stay away from crowded areas to reduce the risk of accidents or getting lost during the festivities. If you're using water guns, remember to aim them carefully and avoid shooting at people's faces or eyes. It's also a good idea to keep emergency contacts handy. Carry a list of emergency contacts or have them stored in your phone in case you need assistance. And finally, after playing, make sure to clean up properly. Rinse off the colors gently with water and mild soap to avoid skin irritation. Don't forget to moisturize your skin afterward to keep it healthy. Have a colorful and joyful Holi, everyone.
Like, subscribe, and get notified when a new video is out. Thank you.